Welcome to this beginner's guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through how to easily find the Practice Portal from Deca Speaker, a trusted resource designed to connect people with reliable health services and professional care. Deca Speaker created the Practice Portal to give users one simple place to explore healthcare options without the stress of endless searching. Instead of browsing scattered sites, the portal gathers everything into a clear and accessible platform. Here's how to get started. First, go to the Deca Speaker website. On the homepage, look for the section labeled Practice Portal. Once you click it, you'll be directed to a hub with all the essential tools you need. Inside the Practice Portal, you'll find provider listings, clinic details, and service options tailored to a wide range of health needs. Whether you're looking for hearing care, general wellness support, or specialized services, it's all organized in one place. The best part is its beginner-friendly design. Information is presented in plain language, so you don't need a technical background to understand it. Everything is clear, direct, and easy to follow. The portal also includes practical resources like step-by-step booking guides, wellness tips, and links to trusted healthcare professionals. This makes it more than just a directory. It's a complete tool for navigating your health journey. To recap, just visit the Deca Speaker website, click on Practice Portal, and explore the options available. It's a smart, simple, and effective way to stay connected with quality healthcare providers. That's your beginner's guide to finding the Practice Portal from Deca Speaker. Start today and take the first step toward better health access.